Hi friends, welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically share stories from Instagram to your Facebook. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, make sure to put your likes, and also write your comments after watching this video. So let's get to our topic. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, you'll need to swipe to the left side to go to the history section. Let's say I'm about to take a picture of some sort. I took a picture to put it in the story. Now I'm going to show you how you can share stories on both Instagram and Facebook at the same time. To do this, you'll need to, when you're fully ready to post a photo or video to Instagram, click on this arrow here. And then, under the label Your Story, click on Options. And so you can choose to put that story on Facebook, but it's only going to be one time. You'll be asked each time if you want to put the story on Facebook. If you want to do it automatically so that you're not asked every time, then you'll need to click here on Account Center, which is highlighted in blue. That will take you specifically to that page where you will be prompted to automatically share your posts, stories, as well as videos, reels from Instagram to Facebook. And also, you will be shown here the pages that you share on Instagram and also which you share on Facebook. And if you want to activate all of that, then you're just gonna have to turn it on like this to enable so that further in the future you can automatically share, for example, your stories, also posts or reels on both Instagram and Facebook. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen how you can easily enable automatic sharing of stories on Instagram as well as Facebook. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes, and see you soon.